You just made my blood boiling.
What?
Ooh. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Good afternoon. Pupunta po tayo ngayon sa Sydney Fish Market. For the very first time guys, may bagong tayo po na Sydney Fish Market, new location. Pupuntahan po natin. What do you call this bridge now?
Harbour Bridge, Sydney Harbour Bridge.
Ah, so the... So we're at Opera House at the bottom.
What is that here? You can just see the Opera House there, look.
Yeah, there. Not really. Ah, see that?
In 1.3 kilometers,
That's the
keep
Opera
left to
House.
Macquarie Street to City East.
What are you doing now?
Hmm?
What are you doing?
This car braked all of a sudden. So I had the brake. It's a lot of windows to clean.
With the truck.
Got red lights there.
You showed me the garden, the harbour.
In 500 meters, use the left lane to keep left.
part of it now?
Yeah, this is the new fish market. This used to be a concrete plant.
It wasn't where we went the last time,
No,
right?
that's closed down.
Yeah.
This is the new one.
What, is there an access to the harbour there?
Uh-oh,
Like an
so,
ocean?
yeah.
Because if not, doesn't make sense.
Maybe they're still using the other one for the commercial
Yeah,
side.
for the fishermen.
There's a block over there, my love. That's it.
So beautiful! Look at the roof. Look at the roof, love.
Turn right.
Yeah, it says fish market. There. Yeah, we gotta stop. Glory offshore fish market. Oh, that's a dark cloud. Look at that. Sydney fish market.
You've arrived at your destination.
Yes, thank you, Wise. You didn't see it us this time. Exit type. We arrived. Fish market, here we go. Love, I'm not gonna bring your tablets, right? Just the ano. Ooh, smells. Huh? Why?
You got my phone?
Yeah, we're not going to study. Car park is P.
P1. So we're going to UG.
Me. I love. Can we just walk for far?
Sorry. Freedom.
Oh my god. This is nice. Take me a photo here, love. Here, oh. Wow. Take a photo of me here now, love. This is beautiful, eh? Where was the old one, babe? Huh?
Over there. The blue building?
Yeah.
That's the car park?
So it's just almost same spot. Ooh, take a photo. You just made my blood boiling. Ooh.
Oh, you got to jump on the boat and go catch some prawns.
Ooh, we're going to catch some fun.
See?
That's the old
Yeah.
where we went last year.
Yeah.
And now we're here at the new. Oh my god, there's plenty of birds. I might get hit.
See that one on
Where?
This one's sitting on top of the pole and he's warming his bum, look, having a sleep.
For real?
Yeah, look, he's having a sleep, look.
Real bird?
He's warm, yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Oh
Have
my
a
God.
seat.
Having the best of
It's
his
gonna-
life.
Yeah.
There, nice. Let us try to check the crabs.
What?
Crabs. Oh. Oh. When you say southern, is this everything from Australia? Huh?
Yeah, keep getting.
Oh, no crab. What is it? Looks different. Like the one we ate?
No, they're different.
Like the similar with the crayfish? Where are we gonna eat? Where's the same restaurant we went to before though?
I don't know.
I think you can just pick it there and then they're gonna cook it for you. Oh. Tasmania's lobster. 190. It's $5 grand. And look at this lab, oh. Ah, that's kilo. Ah, that's kilo. Oh, just kidding. Look at this. Blue. Oh, we always have this in the Philippines. So that's each. Oh. Babe out. We buy one later?
Yeah, it takes up all the time.
Alright. Tiger prawns, wala. Tiger prawns. I think it's way cheaper here than in Penrith Plaza. What we gonna eat, baby ka?
I don't know. Is there is the price somewhere to it?
Love, they have abalone. Oh, whole barramundi 27 only lang.
What?
27 only.
Oh, barramundi.
Yeah. I think it's way cheaper. What do you think? Huh? Yeah? With chips. It says there with chips.
You got thin ones too, look. Lobster platter, grilled platter, seafood platter.
Yeah, I need my eyeglasses then. Give me my bag. Ah, your wallet is with me. You can grab it. Oh, the scallops, mornay. $5 each. Maybe you grab 2 of that, love. Looks delicious.
Go look at the other one.
Ah, not yet. This looks nice, love. Love, they have seafood platter. And the lobster platter is 35. Let's check if they have like a combination or a set one.
Yeah, okay, look.
Yeah.
Okay, no. I haven't got my blue.
I have, but
Platter, grilled platter, lobster platter.
I'm looking for the fish, my love. I think I can just have what I like. You know what I mean?
Hello.
Rather than a set. Wala ba? Salmon. Is there any fish you have? Oh, here. Barramundi. Hang on a minute.
Yeah, you got fish, you got salmon.
Oh, that's the ginger shallot barramundi, love. Oh?
What's that?
Ginger, you know, how it was cooked when we were in Harbour.
Yeah, you get what you like. Take the top one, do you?
Ooh. Ooh, do you like that?
Yeah.
$30.
Yeah, but we can get a lobster platter.
How many? Oh, one piece?
We can get lobster platter. And then you can get some other stuff. You can get rice and you can get extra lobster.
I think I will just get. So that's
How
what
much
I
was
will-
the doctor's bill?
I don't know. She didn't tell you?
I didn't look on it.
I don't know about you. I know what I want to eat. And it's cheaper here now. In Abby, that's $55.
Yummy.
Oh, yum. That's my fish. That's my order. This one looks great too, babe.
Cheese.
Fish cheese. Look at this, guys.
Huh?
They call it Patrick. I don't know what that.
Oyster skills factory.
Tanga lang. Is that a scallop?
Huh?
Scallop?
Let's go. Cheese.
This is my second. What's this again?
Oyster skill factory.
So oyster pala siya.
Yeah, you ever had oyster mornay like this? Huh? Yeah.
That's for you. I ate two. Oh, love, I have this, oh. Salt and pepper. I squeeze lemon. Oh. Love, did you use this?
No.
I gave it. Guys, tignan nyo. Sarap. Tapos yan. So, yum yum. Hindi ko dala yung action camera ko. Ito lang muna. Pagtsagaan nyo na. I need to squeeze the lemon with this one. Uy, tumulo. Oh. Oh my God. Show up. It's more. It's very cheesy.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not. Sobrang machis. You might take it.
Take it home.
I don't know why yours is so expensive. Though.
Sure.
You can get this for $35. What? Just yum. Very cheesy. We can do this, my love. We can do this together. Huh?
With some vodka.
I think I'm getting the most of it.
Oh, that's all right, yeah.
No.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Lobster, guys. Yum. And this one? Oh,
You've got little bits of octopus.
baby octopus. What? It doesn't smell fresh. No? The lobster? Lobster, baby octopus, and squid.
Calamari.
Calamari. And that's rubbish. And the main one. Hindi na ito makakain. Babaunin na lang yung pauwi. Kaya muna ako guys ha.